So in case of Apurva, what she has done, she has actually connected this carry to all of her modules. Okay, in module instantiation, first you have to write the kind of the subcode. Okay, you know, I'm taking this example. Okay, full adder example using two half adders. So first here you have to write the code for these two half adders. Right, these are your sub blocks. Right, these two blocks makes your these two half adders makes your full adder with one OR gate. Okay, so first thing you have to write is the half adder part. Then you have to see how connections are being made. Okay, so half adder has two input ports, then two output ports, like, okay, likewise. Then in case of ordered list, right? So what is the concept of ordered list? That you have your okay, I shouldn't. Okay, so this full adder which is being written at the first place is directly mapped to your A. Okay, this is what happens. This FAB written here directly maps to your B. It will always, the first will always map to your first, the second will always map to your second, likewise. This happens. Okay, so first step is to write this sub block module. Okay, so you know how full adder is being made using two half adders. So which is that sub block module HA. So you have to write the code for it first. Second thing, you have to draw your diagram during instantiation. Second thing, you have to draw the diagram. So I consider that you have drawn this diagram. Okay, then this is completed. Then we have to start from this. Okay, so your goal, this is your goal, that you have to write a full adder. So what ports does full adder has? This much, three inputs F, A, B and C in, and these two outputs, right? So now you have to see this diagram, that how my ports are being connected, right? So this okay, right, so these things we have done, input output, you know how these things are being made. So about wire, see how many wires do you need? A, B, C, these are the ports of your full adder, so we don't need wire for them. Okay, S and C out are also the part of your port of full adder, right? These are your ports you can which you can externally access, so we don't need wires for them. What are the wires which are, or what are the lines which are not connected directly to your port? So this one, okay, the C in B is connected so directly to your port, so we don't need wire. This one, this is the intermediate wire, so these much things we will be needing. Okay, and this extra one. Okay, so three wires we need, so we have declared wires for that. Okay, so now take one HA here, right? And how you will connect it? First, this will be connected to your FAA, right? So I have written FAA, which will be directly connected to A of your full adder, right? FAB, which will be connected to your FAB, right? Then what do you have in? Just think in terms of half adder and make connection in terms with full adder, right? Then S0 and C0. So what are these S0 and C0? These are my wires. Okay, this is S0 and this is my second wire C0. So I have mapped these sum. So क्या हो रहा है कि मतलब फुल एडर की डायग्राम देखकर मैं हाफ एडर के कनेक्शंस बना रहा हूँ. यहाँ पे S0 है तो मैंने ये वाला ये HA0 है, तो HA0 का इसमें से मैंने सम को कनेक्ट किया. ठीक है, तो S0 क्योंकि ये तो इंटरनली HA0 की सम की लाइन है ना, तो ये HA0 की कैरी की लाइन है, तो इसे मैं अपने टॉप मॉड्यूल में किससे कनेक्ट करूँ? तो ये कैरी किससे कनेक्ट होगा टॉप मॉड्यूल में? C0 से. तो इसलिए यहाँ पे आपको वो सिग्नल्स लिखने हैं जो तुम्हारे टॉप में है और उसे किसके साथ मैप करना है वो यहाँ पे देखना है. ठीक है, अब इसके बाद सिमिलरली ये पूरा होते जाएगा. नेक्स्ट HA1 है शायद, HA1 लो. HA1 के क्या इनपुट्स है कि टॉप मॉड्यूल में S0 इनपुट है, क्योंकि मुझे S0 कनेक्ट करना है इससे, तो S0 लिखा है मैंने यहाँ पे, जो कि A से कनेक्ट होगा, मतलब ये HA का A है, इंटरनली HA का A है वो, जो S0 से कनेक्ट होगा। फिर ये HA का B है जो C0 से कनेक्ट होगा, सॉरी FACin से कनेक्ट होगा, राइट, क्योंकि ये ओके ये FACin से कनेक्ट है, ये भी A से कनेक्ट नहीं है, ओके, तो ये FACin से कनेक्ट है, इसलिए मैंने यहाँ पे FACin लिखा। और फिर इसका जो है HA का जो HA1 का जो आउटपुट है वो मैंने टॉप के सम से कनेक्ट हो रहा, और इंटरनली वो किससे कनेक्ट है, SUM से, दिस इज एक्चुअली सम। या तो इस तरह से आपको सब कनेक्शंस करने हैं दोनों बीच से। तो अब जो तुम्हारी डायग्राम है 4 बिट फुल एडर की, उसको भी उसी तरह से करो, 4 मॉड्यूल्स 4 इंस्टेंशिएशन बनाने, और एक एक करके कि वो किस कैसे कनेक्ट हो रहा है वो देखो, ठीक है, कितने वायर्स लगेंगे वो देखो, एक ही तुमने यही कैरी इन लिया और वही सबको कैरी इन एज कैरी इन दे रहे, ऐसा नहीं करना है, एक एक वायर लो इंटरमीडिएट और उसका कनेक्शन दो, पहले डायग्राम बनाओ और फिर उसके बाद में उसके कनेक्शंस देखो, ठीक है। तो है क्या और कोई डाउट है इस चीज में?